Here we've got Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer on this phone. So first of all, you need to open your camera app, and here you've got the timer icon, so smoothly click on it, and now you can pick 2, 5 or seconds delay. Let me go with 5 seconds, and now you can grab a picture with 5 seconds delay. Here you've got the countdown, and after that the picture will be grabbed. And that's it. Obviously, whenever you would like to switch the timer off or change the countdown time, just use the same switcher. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.